All right, first time trying the coffee. Love it. All right, today we're going to bring a frother, and this is perfect if you're going to be traveling. You could take this anywhere pretty much. You could use it to drink as a cup, but it's a frother. So we're going to use it today. We're going to show you guys what it comes with. It comes with a little brush. You can clean some of the bristles. And it comes with an extra spinner. It's one embedded in the actual cup itself, and then another one in there. So this is a spare one in case you lose it. These are replaceable, easy to find on Amazon too, or in any kind of store. So that's another one right there. Make sure you wash it prior to using it. This is the pad itself where how it resides. All right, this actually heats it up if you want to, because there's a couple options. We're going to go ahead and first look at the inside. Now the inside, there's a minimum and a maximum line. All right, so just be aware that don't overfill this, or because it's going to spill. So on the bottom, on the instructions, the power button, there's 4 different modes on different tones, right? The bottom last one in the corner on the right hand, it's for cold frother if you don't want it to heat up, but the rest of it heats up. And if you guys can see the different levels, on the top left corner is going to be the highest frother that you're going to produce. So just make sure you'll be aware of that, and we're going to put it to use today, because a very important thing, there is a little rubber end seal. It's a silicone seal. This, you got to remove it and wash it separate. If you don't remove this, it's gonna collect bacteria and algae and mold. Just make sure you remove that when you wash it. This is not dishwasher safe either. So this rubber end here, this silicone end, make sure you remove that. Very important to washing it, right? So we're gonna put this together and see how it works. All right, we just put in our favorite liquid in here. Vanilla mixed with milk. I like to do that. And then I'm going to do the highest tone. So we're going to hit the button here to the highest tone. If you want to change it, you can do that. And we're going to start it. So you guys can see that automatically starts. Close it out. Let it run. It's going to be the highest foam that we're going to do. All right. So I want to see it increase. But if you want to move it to different tones, you hit the power button again. It cycles to whatever you want. But today, let's see how well it works. And let it complete it. We're going to open it up. Oh, look at that. All the way to the top. I didn't expect to be that strong. This is a really good frother. Look at that. Awesome film. We're going to try our coffee with it. All right, so we're going to take it off the actual machine. It's a little hot. It's a little warm, but you could touch it. It's not too hot or anything. It's just warm enough so you could grab it. Let's go ahead and do that. Look at that. Ooh. Oh, beautiful coffee. Let's mix it around and add some more. And I didn't add that much. Just to let you guys know, I did not add that much. All right, let's get a little bit of it. Look at that.